Wondering how to teach in Facebook groups? Facebook group units are a great tool to organize your lessons. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you have struggled with your social media, or maybe you've had figure out social media on your to-do list for a long time, but you keep just shoving it down because you don't know where to start, you feel overwhelmed, you don't have enough ideas, you're in the perfect place. Every week, we put out a brand new video to help you with a different piece of your digital marketing strategy. If that sounds like something you could benefit from, go ahead and hit subscribe and click that bell so you're notified whenever a new video comes out. So today we're talking about how to teach in a Facebook group. What we're looking at inside of a Facebook group are learning units. And in some groups, I've noticed that it's called learning, and in others, it's called units. So you might see learning or you might see units in the menu. And what it does is allows you to organize content into units. So in our Frustrated to Fearless, How to Build a Social Media Marketing Plan Like a Pro course, all of the note downloads and the replays were all organized in here. So somebody could come in and say, oh, I left off on week 4 and pick them up. But you could use these to organize anything you wanted, any type of content that you have in a Facebook group, as opposed to somebody having to use the search tool to find something or just scroll endlessly to get to whatever that is they're looking for. Let's talk about how to set them up. First, you want to go to More here and edit Group Settings. And you scroll down under Sections, Social Learning Units. If this says Add, you'll want to tap Add to add it. If it says Remove, that means you've already got it. Once you've got that set up, head to the Learning or Units tab on the left. And the main way to set this up is on a computer. If you're trying to do it on a mobile device, Facebook is not really given the tools to do that quite yet. So now I'm in my Learning tab. I can click More Settings. And within here, you've got a few things. One, Show Progress. This is where people can see which units they've completed, which ones they haven't. You can allow members to share when they complete a unit if you want to kind of track success. And you can make the Learning tab the default tab instead of Discussion if you want to by checking that box. And then once you have your units, you can reorder them here. Let me take you into a group that doesn't have any units yet so you can kind of see how that looks. And my first step would be to create a unit. So this might be Unit 1, how to optimize your Instagram profile. Then you can add a description in this box if you'd like to. Down here, there's a check mark. If some units are required, then you can make certain ones optional. I go ahead, hit Create Unit, and now it's here. Now, I can go in and I can add all kinds of different media. You can upload video files, PDFs, documents, all kinds of different things. So you'd click in here and title it. Maybe it's Lesson 1, the ideal profile picture. Then you can say, in this lesson. And then if it's a video lesson, like I said, you can add videos, you can upload files, you can create an event, all kinds of different things, just like you would do in a normal post anywhere on Facebook. And you can schedule them as well if you want to. As you can see, you can have more than one thing within a unit, and you can add lots of details. So for example, this is a replay I put in here for a live course, and I put in time codes so people can skip to certain parts. One more thing, if you had something in the general discussion of your group that you wanted to add to a unit, the simplest way to do it, you just click the little down arrow here on the upper right of your post, and then you can add it to a new unit or any of the previously existing units. So overall, it really gives you an idea of how you can organize content either for lessons in a group or anything else that you might be organizing within your Facebook group. So how will you use Facebook group units? Let us know down in the comments. And if you want to join our Facebook group, it's free. We're teaching and learning from each other all the time. Just search for 5-Minute Social Media on Facebook. Apply to get in. There's just a few quick questions. I'll approve you and you can join the conversation there. I hope you got something out of that video. If so, take a second, hit like, click subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home. Thank you so much for watching 5-Minute Social Media. We'll see you next time.